tell you what, it's not every day you get to come out on the lake, and the water is like glass today. It is absolutely beautiful. We've had several days of easterly winds due to Hurricane Erin out on the Atlantic coast, which has just pushed the weather systems back to the east this way, causing some stiff winds on Lake Ontario and Lake Erie, and though it's been pretty choppy, so it's nice to get out and see it flat. Now with that said, I'm out here because the Kathy McKeil is on its way in, and we caught this earlier in the season, the first time seeing it after she had a conversion from a tanker into a bulk carrier. So this time I'm going to get to capture it out on the lake, actually in motion at a good speed hopefully. So that's why I'm rushing out there right now. I'm only about 6 or 7 miles offshore to try and get a good shot of this and bring it to you. Before I go any further, don't look at this, don't stare at it. I know it's there. If you see any funny marks on your body, go and see a doctor. That's what I did. And I sprayed nitrogen on this yesterday, and about 10 other things on my back and on my chest to get rid of these moles, which she's getting a bit concerned about. So better safe than sorry. So this will be gone in a few days. So we'll try and put the camera more on this side. All right. Anyway, that was my health advice to you all. Any funny marks, get them checked out. Look at this water. It is beautiful. All right, we're in 70 feet of water, and I'm nearly 6 miles away from shore, 10 kilometers out, and she's right behind me over here, so enjoy the drone shots. I'm in the big wake. The size of the wake of this thing. 6 foot. That is a 6 foot wave just then. They just petered out, and again right in front. Right, I gotta try and get through this. Hang on. Take you for a ride. Okay, got over them. Whee! Alright. We got front of the wake. Let's try the lens off. Alright, there we have it, Kathy McKeil. Nice looking vessel. Like I said earlier on, we called this right at the beginning of the season, coming through Port Colborne, her first appearance after a conversion. And now she's just making her way to Bay Como, I believe. We'll just get a little ahead of it, stay well clear of it, mind you. About 250 feet away. The guys are on the deck there, hosing it down, keeping things cool, doing a bit of cleaning, no doubt. So let's just get about here, and we'll shut off, and we'll let it just ride by. So here goes.
See you well, Kathy McKeil.
Kathy McKeil, see you well, over.
See you well, Kathy McKeil. Good afternoon, inbound at C16.
She creates hell of a wake. Here it comes. Oh, I'm gonna get caught out in this one again. Heavily loaded, virtually the whole red paint is under the watermark. If you know what she's carrying, leave a comment in the comments, so let us know. Port Colborne is just ahead of us, and that's where I'm going to zoom off now. And we'll wait for her at the piers here. Alright, there's your channel marker. So we're going to stay on this side of the channel marker, and she'll be on the other side. Okay, approaching Port Colborne right now is the MV Kathy McKeil. She was built in 1998 at the Alabama shipyard in Mobile. She first sailed as the Aggersborg, later becoming the Algocia under Canadian service. In late 2023, she was renamed in honor of Kathy McKeil. And I did all this in a previous video, but I'm just going to go over it one more time. And then last year, she sailed all the way over to China for a ship conversion. And she was actually changed over from a tanker into a bulk carrier, which is what we see right now. Her name ties back to the McKeil Marine Legacy, a company founded in 1956 by Evans McKeil, with just a wooden boat, growing today into one of Canada's leading marine transport operators. Once again, folks, getting you as close to the action as I possibly can here on Lake Erie, and especially at the port of Port Colborne.
Security, the Kathy McKeil inbound Port Colborne piers. The Kathy McKeil inbound at Port Colborne.
The sun is virtually sitting right over it right now. So it's hard to get some sunlight shots of it because the sun is right on the deck and also on the stern of the ship. Blows my mind how these like pleasure craft just there is not even attempted to move out of the way, and that is going to go probably the port side is going to be probably no more, well, probably about 30 feet. The view from here, I mean, through the camera doesn't give it justice, but that boat is probably about 30 feet from it. And you'll never catch me going that close, especially to a moving vessel. Alright, let's get ahead of it a little bit. Just so I can show you right there. Look how close they are. I mean, they probably think they're safe, and they probably are, but you just don't want to take that risk, do you? Oh, there we go. Lift bridge is just going up right now, as you can see. Seaway, can we have a horn on this bridge to go off just like the one at Duluth? I think it'd be really important and good for boat watchers, mariners alike, and so on. I think it'd be a great idea. So, time to get that drone up and get some nice shots of it going underneath. Enjoy. They hit me. Oh, there's a lot of birds now. Mate. Jesus. Alright, where's my drone? Fucking birds everywhere. Get it safe to me. Get it safe to me. There it is, there it is, there it is. Come back to me, come back to me, come back to me. Alright, I gotta get the drone back to me. There's so many fucking birds around. Jesus. Alright, that'll do. It's right above me now. Can the drone look up? There's like loads of birds just up there. All right, there you have it. Kathy McKeil just gone under the bridge. Sorry, I had to cut the drone footage short there. There were birds just appeared out of nowhere, and I'm not losing another drone. I'm telling you, I'm not losing. It's not worth it. These things aren't cheap. So anyway, the alarm's going to go off any moment now, and the bridge will come down, and that's another vessel in the books on this beautiful day here. Absolutely gorgeous. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll be back with another one very soon. So in the meantime, stay safe, take care.
Over. CO2, Seal Road, and the Alpha Titan loaded, clear block 3. They'll come down, calling out for passing entry above on 2.